Hey guys, Chris here from Macy Acres. Well, we're in the truck. You know that if we're in the truck and we're taking a drive, we're either taking a drive and going on a fun adventure or, well, we're going on a fun adventure today. Anyway, today we're going after something. We have two vehicles. We've got my vehicle with a trailer on it, small trailer, and then I've got another trailer that's going to be on the back of a truck that's behind us. We're going after a particular item that my wife, her family used to own, and the guy who owns it now called us up and said, hey, do you want this back? We just aren't going to have time to work on it. Not that I have time right now because it's going to become another project, like I need another project. But anyway, we are going after a really cool item. So stay along with us, ride along with us, and let's take a little adventure down the road and let's see what we're going after. What could possibly be in this trailer? Well, there is a steering wheel, but what's it go to? You'll soon find out. As you can see, we went on our little trip. We got boxes in here, and we've got a frame to another car. Yes, another project, another car. No, we don't have Scooter done. Scooter's priority though. This is going to be the next project after Scooter's done. If you look, we got a frame. It's got a little X frame up here in the front. It's got a nice steering wheel. It looks like a Ford V8 symbol. So what could we have possibly got? If you look right over there, you'll see the body of a 1935 Ford 5-window coupe. This was my wife's grandpa's, and she had the opportunity to get it back in the family. And so we're storing it for now. But this is a future project, the 1935 Ford 5-window coupe.